All right. Good morning, everybody. This is Becky at Aunt Beck's Creations. This is VEDA day 14. And what I'm going to do today, I'm not going to do a whole lot because I had a really rough night, bad stomach. But you can see how each of the windows has one of these cornices, and they are actually solid on top, so I can put things up there. So that's what I'm going to do with all the knick-knack bric-a-bracs that's in the basement to get them out of the way for the crew for tomorrow. So when I went down with laundry, I filled the laundry basket back up with bric-a-bracs. So I'm going to clean those, and that's what I'll do next. Bye guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright, they're washed up. I think this is a giant peach, and that's a set of Japanese figures. They got Japan stamped on the bottom, and so does the duck. This is the red glass, and then I think Aunt Marietta liked birds a little bit. I'm going to clean the bases for these three right here with some furniture polish. I'm not going to put water on them. And that swan, evidently she'd used it as a flower pot. So I'm just going to let him soak in there while I'm waiting for these to dry and for my laundry to catch up with where I am, because I'll switch out washing some more. But that's what my day is going to be, cleaning this stuff out of the basement. And I will talk to you later. Bye. I missed these birds. Thankfully none of them broke when I jerked the towel out of the basket, because I was using a towel to wrap them in, and I just got lucky. None of them broke, but I've still got to wash them up. So yeah, she liked birds, I think. Alright guys, chat with you later. I don't know if I'll do any more videoing today or not. I'm needing to go sit down right now, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.